Hello everybody. Today we are going to show you the energy conversion. We know that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but energy can be transformed from one form to that of another. We'll show you some examples where you can see the conversion of energy. Here we are giving you some examples to show that energy can be converted from one form to that of another. Here you see, if we take this one, we know that this is a continuity tester. Here there is a cell here, there is a LED here, and these are connecting wires. If we touch this one, you see here it glows. Right? Now you can say that electrical energy is converted into light energy. Right? In this continuity tester, you can say that electrical energy is converted into light energy. Right? Now I will give you some more examples to show that one form of energy can be converted to another form of energy. Here you see we have taken a vibration motor. You see, this is a vibration motor. If we connect it with the cell, you see we are taking a cell here, and if we connect the cell, then what you will get, you see here, you see if we connect this with this cell, this is a 9-volt cell, right? And this is Nipo gold. Now if we connect this with these connecting wires, let us see what happens. Here you see we are connecting the positive terminal with the positive one and negative terminal of the cell with the negative one, right? And if we connect it, you see what happens. Here you see if we connect this one and see if we connect this terminal of the motor, let's see what happens. See here that the vibrator is rotating. You can see here very clearly the vibrator is rotating. That means we can say that electrical energy can be converted into mechanical form of energy, right? There are various other examples. You can see that one form of energy can be converted to other form of energy. Here you see when this one is rotating, you see one, this one, that this vibrator is rotating. That means that electrical energy has converted into mechanical form of energy. Let us take other examples. Suppose if we take this one, this is a motor, right? And you can see what happens to this one. If we take this motor, right, and if we take a propeller or fan, let us see what happens. If we put it here and you see here that the fan is rotating. In this example you can say that electrical energy has converted into mechanical form of energy, right? Here you see that electrical energy has converted into mechanical form of energy, right? And in the motor also you have seen that electrical energy has been converted into mechanical form of energy. And you know that this is a motor, and motor works on the principle of Fleming's left hand rule. You see, if the three fingers are mutually perpendicular to each other, if this is the forefinger, this is the middle finger, and this is the thumb, and if they are perpendicular to each other, the forefinger represents the direction of magnetic field, the middle finger represents direction of current, then the thumb will represent the direction of force. And all the motors follows the Fleming left hand rule. Now we can say that one form of energy can be transformed into another form of energy. Here you can say, let us take another applications and let's see what happens. Now here you see we have taken a buzzer. You see this is a buzzer, and if we connect this with this cell, let us see what happens. Here you see we are connecting this with the buzzer and let's see what happens. You see it produces sound. That means we can say that electrical energy is converted into sound energy. Here you see, let us see once again. Here you can see that electrical energy is converted into sound energy. There are many examples in which you can say, we can show you that one form of energy is converted into another form of energy. Let us say with this LED what happens. Here you see there is a LED here. You see this is an LED. Here you see, let us see what happens if I take this one and let's see what happens to this one. You see the LED is glowing. Right here you see the LED is glowing. Right here you can say that electrical energy has converted into light energy. Right, electrical energy has been converted into light energy in this case, and there are many examples in which you can say that one form of energy can be transformed into other form of energy. Right, if we take this one, you see what is this? This is a dynamo, and if we here you see this is a dynamo, right? And you see if we rotate this one, this shaft, it produces electrical energy. That means when you rotate this shaft, it produces electric energy and the LED will glow. Now I will show you in night mode. Let us see what happens to this one. Right here there is a LED and this is the dynamo, right? And you see we are using this one to produce electric current, right? I will show you in night mode because LED will glow very dim. Let us see what happens. Now see here, we are trying to produce electric current in this dynamo. In night mode you see that this is glowing. Here you see that this is glowing. Night mode you can see the LED is glowing. Here you can see that the LED is glowing. Whenever we are rotating the shaft, the LED is glowing. That means we can say that in dynamo, mechanical energy can be transformed into electrical energy. Right? Here I have shown you how the dynamo works. If whenever we rotate this shaft, the LED is glowing. You can see here the LED is glowing in day mode also. Right? Then you can say, you see here the LED is also glowing. Right, that means mechanical energy has been converted into light energy, and we know that energy can neither be converted, neither be created nor destroyed. one form of energy can be converted from one form to that of another. We've seen in these examples various energy, and you have seen that one form of energy is converted into other form of energy. Let us try once again. This is a motor, and you see here, if you put the connection, it will rotate. You see here, it is rotating. That means electrical energy has been converted into mechanical form of energy, right? If we put this one, this is a buzzer, and you can see that electrical energy can be converted into sound energy. Here you see the electric energy has been converted into sound energy. You see here, electrical energy has been converted into sound energy, right? And if you see here, if we put this LED, you see here we have an LED here. We put the LED in the circuit. Let us see what happens to this LED. And you see here that the LED will glow. Here you see we have taken an LED, and let us see what happens. We connect this one, right? This one is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal, and let's see what happens to this. You see the LED is glowing. That means electrical energy has been converted into light energy, right? Okay. And if we take this one, this is a vibrator motor. If we put this motor here, connect this motor, let us see what happens. Here you see the motor is rotating. Here you see, that means electrical energy has been converted into mechanical form of energy. And there are not only these, there are various other examples we can show you that one form of energy can be converted into another form of energy. And this is a dynamo. You see, this is a dynamo. In dynamo, if we rotate the shaft, you see the LED will glow. You see here, the LED is glowing. See, the LED is glowing. That means whenever we rotate this shaft, the LED is glowing. That means mechanical form of energy has been converted into electrical energy. And we know that this dynamo follows the principle of Fleming's right hand rule. You see, this is our right hand rule. If the three fingers, 1, 2, 3, the middle finger, the forefinger, and the thumb are mutually perpendicular to each other, then this forefinger represents the direction of magnetic field. The middle finger represents the direction of current, and the thumb represents the direction of force, right? And we have already explained that the dynamo follows the Fleming's right hand rule, and a motor follows Fleming's left hand rule. And I've shown you here that one form of energy has been converted into another form of energy. Here you see there is a LED bulb, there is cell, and if you touch it, it is glowing. That means electrical energy has been converted into light energy. Not only that, if we take this one, suppose let us take another example, this one. You see this one. If we take to a certain height, this car has potential energy, and if we leave it, it falls down. That means whenever we are leaving this one, it has gravitational potential energy. When you leave this one, this gravitational potential energy will change into kinetic energy. And when it strikes the ground, it changes into sound energy and light energy, right? Here you see, if we take this one to a certain height, this car, then it has acquired some gravitational potential energy due to this height, and the gravitational potential energy is mgh. And if you leave this car, the potential energy will change into kinetic energy, and when it strikes the ground, it changes into heat energy and light energy both. There are different forms of energy, and we know that one form of energy will convert into other form of energies. Not only that, I'll give other examples also to show that energy can be converted from one form to that of another. If we take an iron, you see, in that case, electrical energy will convert into heat energy, right? Not only these, there are many other examples also in which you can see that one form of energy is converted into other form of energy, right? In the dam, when water flows from higher level to lower level, the gravitational potential energy changes into kinetic energy, right? In this way, there are various other examples also in which you can see that one form of energy can be converted into other form of energy, right? If you pass electrical current in a wire and put a magnetic needle, it will deflect, right? Deflect the magnetic needle. We know this one also. So in the end, we can say that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. One form of energy can be transformed into another form of energy, right? And in the previous videos, you have seen how this boat goes from one place to that of other. In that case, heat energy has been converted into mechanical form of energy, right? Here you have seen in the previous video that heat energy has been converted into mechanical form of energy. And here also you can see that there are, according to Newton's third law, it goes forward, because here to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. When the water goes through this pipe, it heated up and transformed into steam, and the steam goes out through this pipe. It forms a reaction, and due to the reaction there is an opposite, it creates action, and due to this action it creates a reaction, and this boat goes forward, right? And in these various examples we have shown you that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Energy can be transformed from one form to that of another, right? In the microphone also you can see that sound energy can be converted into electrical energy. In microphone, sound energy has been converted into electrical energy. Not only that, there are various other examples also in which you can see that the one form of energy can be converted into other form of energy. Now we'll give the example of magnet, and I'll show you in magnet also that one form of energy can be converted into other form of energy. Here you see you have taken two magnets. You see you have taken two magnets. Here you see that we have taken two magnets. You see here we have taken this magnet and this magnet. Let's see what happens to this one. You see this is going forward. That means magnetic energy has been converted into mechanical energy. You see here, right? The car is going forward, right? This magnetic energy changes into mechanical form of energy, right? Here see that magnetic energy has been converted into mechanical form of energy. In these examples, we have shown you how one form of energy has been converted into another form of energy. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And if you be a member of our channel, We'll give you some tricks and tips to promote your YouTube channel. So be our members. You know that we have three membership plan. One is silver plan, gold plan and diamond plan. Be our members and get some benefits so that you may make such type of videos and your videos will be viral within few days and your channel will be monetized. Dear friends, if you want this type of video, please mention in the comment section. Again, dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.